Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In previous part we discussed some basic concept related to geometry. Now move to the first exercise, that is exercise 1.1. The first question of this exercise, find the distance with the help of number line given here. Okay. Here you have to find the distance with the help of this number line. If you observe this number line, avoid some points are given A, B, C, D, E, H, J, K, P, Q like that. And below that some numbers are given. These numbers are called as coordinates of these points. Okay. The number associated with the points are called coordinates. Okay. So 1 is the coordinate of A, 2 is the coordinate of B, 3 is the coordinate of C, 4 is the coordinate of D, and 5 is the coordinate of E. Like that same here, minus 1 is the coordinate of H, minus 2 is the coordinate of J, minus 3 is the coordinate of K, minus 4 is the coordinate of P, minus 5 is the coordinate of Q. Okay. Yes, these are the points and these are the coordinates associated with this point. Now you have to find this distance. You have to find the distance between 2 points. In first question, you have to find the distance between point B and E. You can observe here, point B is this. The coordinate of point B is 2. Okay. And point E is here. The coordinate of point A is 5. Now the question is how to find the distance between the 2 points. To find the distance between 2 points, you have to subtract greater coordinate with smaller coordinate. Now out of these 2 coordinates, the 5 is greater than 2. So the distance between the point B and E is nothing but 5 minus 2. That means the distance between 2 points is equal to the subtraction of greater coordinate with smaller coordinate. In general, we can write distance between 2 points is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Okay. Now so for first question, now start your first question. First question, you have to find the distance between point B and E. Okay. If you observe here, the coordinate of point B is 2 and coordinate of point E is 5. Okay. So 5 is greater than 2. Okay. So therefore the distance between point B and E is equal to 5 minus 2. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. 5 minus 2 is 3. So therefore the distance between point B and E is equal to 3. Got it? Okay. Now next question. You have to find the distance between point J and A. Okay. Observe in number line. The coordinate of point J is minus 2. Coordinate of point A is 1. Okay. And minus 2 and 1. Which number is greater here? Obviously 1 is greater than minus 2. So therefore distance between point J and A is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that means 1 minus greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate is minus 2. Okay. Then minus minus become plus. So 1 plus 2, the answer is 3. So distance between point J and A is equal to 3. Okay. Now the third question. In third question, you have to find the distance between point P and C. Okay. Now observe point P here. Point P, the coordinate is minus 4. Okay. Point C coordinate is 3. Now which coordinate is greater here? Obviously 3 is greater than minus 4. So therefore distance between point P and C is equal to 3 minus 4. Okay. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So it's become 3 plus 4. It is 7. So therefore the distance between point P and C is equal to 7. Okay. You can write 7 unit like that. Next. You have to find the distance between point J and H. Fourth question. Now observe point J. Point J coordinate is -2. Okay. Now point H coordinate is -1. Now tell me which number, which coordinate is greater here? Which coordinate is greater here? In negative number. In negative number, as we go forward, the number goes on decreasing. So -1 is greater -2. Okay. So therefore, distance between point J and H is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So greater coordinate is -1 minus smaller coordinate is -2. Okay. So -1 as it is, minus minus become plus. Okay. So it become minus minus plus, then +2, minus plus again minus. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus plus minus, but answer sign is greater number. So the distance between point J and H is equal to 1. This is your fourth question. Now the fifth one. Observe your fifth question. You have to find the distance between point K and O. Observe. The coordinate of point K is -3. Okay. And the coordinate of point O is 0. Now tell me which number is greater here. Which coordinate is greater here? Obviously 0 is greater than -3. 0 is greater than -3. So the distance between point K and O is nothing but the greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. The greater coordinate is 0. Minus smaller coordinate is -3. Minus minus is become +3. So distance between point K and 0 is 3. So other 3 questions is for your practice. Now move to the question number 2. Question number 2, if the coordinate of A is x, that means coordinate of A is represented by x and that of B is y, find the distance AB. That means coordinate of A is represented by x and coordinate of B is represented by y. Then you have to find the distance between A and B. Again the same. The distance between 2 points is nothing but the greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. For the first question, x is 1, y is 7. Okay. So greater coordinate is 7. That means 7 is greater than 1. Okay. So therefore, the distance between point A and B is nothing but the greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So greater coordinate is 7 minus smaller coordinate is 1. So therefore, distance between point A and B is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. Now the next question. For the second question, you can see a coordinate of x. Coordinate of point A is 6. Coordinate of point B is -2. Now which number is greater here? Which coordinate? Or we can say which coordinate is greater here? Obviously 6 is greater than -2. So therefore the distance between point A and B is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So greater coordinate here 6 minus smaller coordinate is -2. Minus minus become plus. So it becomes 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So therefore distance between point A and B is 8 unit. Next, third one. Coordinate of A is -3. Coordinate of B is 7. So -3 and 7, which coordinate is greater? Yes, 7 is greater. So 7 is greater than -3. Okay. So therefore the distance between point A and B is nothing but greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So here greater coordinate is 7 minus smaller coordinate is -3. Okay. So 7 minus minus become +3. So it becomes 7 plus 3 is 10. So therefore distance between point A and B is 10 unit. Okay. Now for the fourth question. Fourth question, coordinate of A is -4, coordinate of B is -6. Now tell me, out of -4 and -6, which number is greater? Okay, in the negative number, as we move forward, the value goes on decreasing. So -4 is greater than -6. So therefore, the distance between point A and B is nothing but greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So greater coordinate here -4 minus smaller coordinate here. Smaller coordinate is minus 6. Okay. Minus 4 minus minus become plus 6. Okay. Minus minus 6 minus minus become plus. So it's become plus 6. Then minus plus again minus. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So therefore the distance between point A and B 2. Two more questions are there for these questions. Two more questions are there in for these questions. Solve it, practice it. Okay. Now let's discuss the sign and action and answer sign. For example, you know, if two numbers are in plus, then the action is plus, answer sign is plus. Okay. If your two numbers are in plus sign, then action, that means action is plus, that means you have to perform the plus action. Answer sign, give the answer sign is plus. Next is, if your first number is minus and second number in plus. Okay. If your first number in minus sign and second number is plus sign, then minus plus action is minus. Okay. And the answer sign is, give the answer sign the bigger number. Okay. Next, if your first number is plus and second number is minus, okay, then plus minus is minus. Okay. Now same here, plus minus minus, but answer sign is bigger number. Okay. Now the next case, if your both the numbers are in minus form, then minus minus action you have to perform plus and answer sign is minus. This is the criteria for solving for the addition and subtraction of two numbers. I think you got the idea how to add and subtract the two numbers. If two numbers are in plus form, then you have to perform the action of plus. Answer sign is also plus. If your first number in minus sign, second number in plus sign, then minus plus minus, and write the answer sign is bigger number. If your bigger number in minus, then answer sign is minus. If your bigger number in plus sign, then your answer sign is plus. Next case, if your first number in plus, second number is minus, then plus minus action is again minus, and the answer sign again bigger number. If your bigger number in minus, then answer is in minus. If your bigger number in plus form, then you have to write the plus with answer. Okay. Now then one more case, if your both the numbers are minus, then minus minus action you have to perform plus, and the answer sign is minus. Let's take some example. For example, 3 plus 2. Here your both the numbers are in plus form. Then action you have to perform plus. 3 plus 2 is 5. Answer sign again plus. There is no need to write the plus sign. Next, suppose your first number in minus and second number in plus form. What I say? Minus plus action is minus. So you have to subtract then. 5 minus 3 is 2. Answer sign, you have to write the answer sign of bigger number. Your bigger number is 5. 5 in plus form. So here answer sign is plus. There is no need to write the plus sign. Plus 2. 2 is indicated as plus 2. Next case, your first number is plus. Suppose 8 in plus. Second number in minus form. Minus 3. Then plus minus action is minus. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Answer sign is bigger number. So here 8 is your bigger number. Bigger number in plus. So answer sign is also plus. One more case. Suppose your first number is minus 3 and second number is minus 2. That means both the numbers are in minus. Then minus minus action is plus. 3 plus 2 is 5. Answer sign is always minus. Okay. I think you got the idea of addition and subtraction of both the numbers. Try to solve this question number 1 and question number 2. Assalamu alaikum.